Question 3. Builder mix makes concrete. 1 cubic meter of concrete has a weight of 2,400 kilograms. 15% of the concrete is water. The rest of the ingredients of concrete are cement, sand and stone. The weights of these ingredients are in the ratios 1 to 2 to 5. Part A says work out the weight of cement, sand and stone in 1 cubic meter of concrete. So, all of it is 2,400 kilograms. Now 15% is water, the rest of it is cement, sand and stone. So we're going to need to find 85% of 2,400. Or you can find 15% and take that away from this. Okay? I'm going to find 85%. Now whichever way you find percentages of a number is absolutely fine. Now, as this is a calculator paper, I'm just going to type it into my calculator. So 2,400 times by 85%, that gives us 2,040 kilograms. Now that is cement, sand and stone. Now remember the ratio is 1 to 2 to 5, and it's always in that order, so I'm just going to write it in. So 1 part is cement, 2 parts are sand, and 5 parts, the most of it, is stone. And there are 8 parts in total. If I just add this 1 and 2 and 5, there's 8 parts in total. So if it's 2,040 kilograms, 1 part would be divided by 8. So 1 part is 255 kilograms. So cement, first of all, then cement is 1 part, so it's going to be 1 times that 255, and that gives us 255 kilograms is cement. Sand is double that, that's 2 parts, so 2 times 255, and that's 510 kilograms will be sand. And finally stone, most of it, with 5 parts times by 255, 1,275 kilograms of stone. Now a simple check you can do is if you add up all of this, these weights, it should get you back to 2,040. So it's always a good check. So 10, 255, and yes, it does. It gets you back to 2,040. Now this is a 4-mark question. Okay, a 4-mark question. Let's have a look at the mark scheme to see how you get those 4 marks. So you get the first method mark for finding either 15% or 85% of 2,400. The second method mark comes from finding 1 part. So 2,040 divided by 8 will give you 1 part. And the third mark comes from any of these, finding the cement, the sand or the stone. And the fourth and final mark comes from all 3 correct answers for cement, sand and stone. And there's your 4 marks, and that's it.